everybody, we're now going to go for a ride in our 1966 Chevy Chevelle SS. One way we know that it's an SS is it has a 138 badge number, as you'll see on the VIN number and you'll see on the trim tag. Besides that, she's got her nice 396 big block engine with headers. And as you can see, everything works. She's a running performer, even though I'm speeding her by a school. We got our nice wooden wheel. Our interior's clean, our headliner's straight on, our brakes are tight. And when I mean tight, I mean really well. Our steering is very well. As you can hear out the back, she's got her nice little sound, including that nice low cam she's got in her. Rides really nice. No issues at all, and even the temperature is staying really cool. For an SS Chevelle, you're getting a good one here with the Skyway Classics. But anyway, we're going to get her turned around, put her on the lift, let you guys take a look at the underneath. We'll see you there.